So you mentioned about the database that is required for AI applications. I completely understand that the basis of the whole AI application is based on data procurement, its integration and its analysis. So we see that this data infrastructure has been monopolized by a few large players, which is a whole other challenge. My question is, what can we do for the tier 1 or the smaller enterprises and companies to have access to that data, which would ultimately help them with the AI application in their company or in their processes?
I think very good question. Your introduction, lady?
I'm a student. I'm Shubhi Singh from Delhi University.
Good. See, as you said, the data is lying with a couple of very big players, and it is very difficult to, access that. I think it's not difficult. There are a lot of API tools which are available by which you can fetch those data. It is available. It is not somebody's proprietary, knowledge or intellectual property from that perspective. And I think why talk about data which is available in any kind of tool? For example, SAP, for example, you talk about. You have a data which is available with you today in very traditional ways also. You have Excel available out there. You have your existing traditional methods by which it is only you need a tool by which you can fetch out the data, analyze the data and put that into a specific template and format for the AI to work upon it. And I think Tanmay and Softute team, we had a discussion earlier also when we were developing the costed right with them. Getting the data from Excel or from different formats was very difficult. Now they have developed a bot, co-pilot kind of a thing, which will help extracting the data from different areas. Then we had developed the API tool from where the raw material indexation will work. So it is possible to extract the data. It is not that it is absolutely impossible. I don't see a challenge in terms of getting the data from somewhere and feeding it to the API.
I think Pankaj, you're right, and Shruti, when you talked about proprietary data or big players holding up that data, so that data which you might be talking, and I'm not sure about that, but probably that's something which is core to the business of those organizations, right? And I'm sure nobody would want to share that. But again, a beautiful tech intervention which is there, and I think you must be knowing the word RAG, R-A-G, right? Which allows the LLMs or the AI part of the world to only be restricted to the data which you really want to access. So let's assume you have some data and you want your LLM to just learn from that data only. So you've got that facility, functionality available, right? If you want to go and take the learnings out from a larger scheme of things from the entire ecosystem, even that's available. So from a privacy perspective, it's a beautiful architecture which has been built across, providing flexibility to the organization to secure some of the core data and then share out the relevant learning which can be shared in public, be available on the public domains as well.